of the open conference. Phil Kainglet sends it straight into the net. Still a 3-point lead for Ateneo. Gutierrez with a serve. Goes to Hervasio. Z gets blocked. Kept alive by Jem. Inatake agad ni Valdez. Oh! No one from Ateneo able to pick that up. Nakahabol na tong Army. Only down by 2.
Well, at this point in time, I think, well, earlier, kaya nakalamang din naman ang Ateneo looking at the points. Even if lamang ang Army with 9 attack points, Ateneo just really scoring a lot from the errors of the Philippine Army. So it looks like the Philippine Army has been able to minimize their errors and just really playing consistently.
Gutierrez there. Salak, outside set. Michelle. Defended by Lazaro. Valdez down the line. Let's see that again, Ann.
Valdez for approach that ball landing right at the end line.
Tina dumps it, but Valdez was right there. Outside, smart play by Aliza. The set was really very close to the net, so alam niya merong nakaabang na block.
And of course, what best way to earn a point? Palabasin mo lang yung bola.
Ganda ng serve ni Z ngayon. Jack Alarca again from the middle. They've really had a lot of success with that play for Jack Alarca. Jack with a floater to Phil. Poor reception from Phil. Wow.
That's
very
too
hard.
ambitious also. I mean, it can be done, pero mahirap yun eh. The ball came from the back. The ball was too high.
And wide, no? Nasa labas na si
Wide as
Aliza.
well.
2-point lead still. Philippine Army serving 16-18. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Lisa, over the block. Binalik kay Michelle. Kept alive.
Net violation there by Ferrer.
Now the lead cut to a single point. With Alarca serving for the Philippine Army. Good serve from Jack. Nice defense by Gutierrez, but Salak not able to chase it down. And that gives Ateneo some more breathing room. They're up by 3. Good serve from Tejada.
Oh, look at that. Carolino.
Wow, coming out of nowhere. Tinaas lang ni Tina eh. Bilang eh. That wasn't her regular set to
No.
Michelle that goes to the antenna. No? Medyo bitin yung set. Joan quick reflexes. Cat-like reflexes.
Oh, Sala.
And experience si Tina Sala.
Oo.
Alam niya lalampas. May matangkad na blocker yung kabila.
Harangin lang.
She was
Step it
ready
over.
na makipag
Tulakan.
sa net. Naku.
Short. She was actually way behind. Far back.
Hindi napuruhan yung contact sa bola with that serve. Nice serve from Alisa. Good coverage by Lazaro. Phil Off speed. Oh, nagkahiyaan si Dakic saka si Bunag. Rachel will get the set from Michelle.
Ball is still alive.
Free ball. Army attacking. Rachel again. Ganda ng block ni Tina. They throw it out to Rachel once more. Down the line. Is successful.
Pero dito rin, no, makikita mo yung sipag sa depensa ng Ateneo. No matter how low or how difficult the ball is, they really try to keep it alive.
Short serve by Tina. Good attack from Phil. Hitting it through the block. Still down by 2. Itong Philippine Army. As Jem Ferrer, the setter of Ateneo, serves. Service ace. Napatawag na ng timeout si Coach Rico de Guzman. Let's listen into the Philippine Army.
Trabaho? Ay! Bumabay? Yung pagkakamali lang. Pinapahirap natin eh. Hindi naman dapat mag-error. Hindi naman dapat magkamali. Sarili lang natin, nagkakamali tayo. Ayaw natin magseryoso.
FEU Makati, the newest campus of FEU, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. For more info, call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. That's the newest campus of FEU. Jem Ferrer with a service ace! Wow! That really hurts. After calling a timeout.
Because what you want is to break the momentum, but when you go back,
Yeah, and set up a play. Ito, service ace kagad ang sumalubong sa kanila.
pero mahirap din naman talagang i-receive itong service ni Jem Ferrer.
Wow, Gutierrez with a surprise open or outside hit. And they're down by 3. Itong Philippine Army here in the first set. Attackers for Ateneo, it's Tajima, Hervasio, and Kainglet.
From the middle this time.
The Lady Troopers with their second and final timeout of the first set. Pakinggan mo natin.
Ano, nalaban pa rin tayo. Diba, naiya ba tayo ng laro? Hindi naman ganyan ang laro nyo. Ngayon pa ba tayo susuko kung kailan katapusan na? Hindi pa naman tapos eh. Guys, pagpilihan naman tayo. Lahat tayo na tayo.
Alright, the Shakey's Open Volleyball Invasion is a promotional package from Shakey's. If you do eat from any of the 21 branches of Shakey's in Metro Manila and Makati, every 500 worth of Shakey's purchase or food that you order, you get a free gallery ticket here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. So kung yung bill po natin ay aabutin ng 1,000 pesos, meron po kayong 2 free tickets to enter the Ninoy Aquino Stadium and watch the finals of the Open Conference. So yan yung ating tandaan when you eat out at Shakey's, every 500 food purchase entitles you to 1 free ticket here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Ito, set point na for Ateneo. Philippine Army needs to score. Rachel, good serve. Good coverage for Ateneo. They go to Michelle. The block is there. And the Philippine Army, kahit na pinapakiusapan na halos ni
Oo, ni
Coach
Coach.
Rico, no, nung timeout,
Not responding
Mhm.
here in the first set. Let's take a look at our shakies. Shake and play. Look at this. Received by Daki, set up by Salak to Carolino, but the block of Tejada and Hervasio is there.
All right, it is Ateneo taking a step closer to winning game number 1. 25-21 at the first. We'll be back.